Hello, educators. Welcome to this quick video about school-wide and district-wide settings. This feature is one of our many plus features, enabling school and district administrators to manage default settings for all classes created by teachers across their schools or districts. To access these settings, click your name in the top right corner. District admins will see district-wide settings, while school admins will see school-wide settings. The function is the same for each, only the scope changes. Let's check it out. Here you'll see the settings page. The available settings are organized into 5 categories: features, account settings, lesson progression, lesson configuration, and games. These settings determine the default options for new classes and classes without custom settings. Teachers can override these settings for individual classes or students, but using school or district-wide settings helps maintain consistency by setting defaults. Features controls high-level student options like typing tests and the class scoreboard. Account settings allows you to control student account options, such as changing profile information and passwords. Lesson progression manages how students move through lessons, including redoing completed lessons and non-sequential progress. Lesson configuration controls lesson display options, such as the on-screen keyboard and backspace key. And finally, games lets you set the default game availability. Once you've adjusted the settings, click the blue Save button. These settings are now the default for all new classes and current classes without custom settings in your school or district. Now, what will teachers see on their end? If a teacher adjusts the default settings for a class, a green icon will indicate it does not match the school or district defaults. In class settings, teachers can click Reset to District or School Default Settings to revert to the default settings. That's an overview of Typing.com's school and district-wide settings. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.